I enjoyed not you are to limit or to not. You can find all the persons with the students of time. You have to log in their regional email address and password as well when you register them. And you have to select math from the subject of scroll down the road, three math, number one with all the exits. There you can find the list of the chapters. We can start with the chapter edition. The lessons will be how they are. Add the numbers of these visitors. Addition of the couple tables of visitors. Add two numbers of visitors for problems. Complete the addition samples of the three figures. So please make sure you have the notebook and pencil so that you can find the example with the definition. I am on grade 3 now. Let's just start with the first lesson matters, numbers of the three figures. Add 156 plus 765. So we always start adding from the ones digit. So the ones digit are 6 and 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11, right? 1 over here and carry 1. Now 5 and 6, 11 and 1, 12 by 2 over here by carry 1. So then you have, then you have 7, 8 and 1. So that is 921. That is 921. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Add 632 plus 235. So start adding from the one digit. That is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 makes 7. Then we need to add tens digit. 3 plus 3 makes 6. And then we have to add the digit 6 plus 2 is 8. So that is 867. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 867. Add 151 plus 756. So let's just start adding from the ones digit. We have 6 plus 1, that is 7. 5 plus 5, that is 10. By 3 will get 1. 7, 1, 8 and 1, 9. So that is 907. That is 907. Option number 1 is the correct option. Add 736 plus 212. 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. 7 plus 2 is 9. That is 948 option by 3 is the correct option. That is 948. Six hundred forty-nine plus 267. Stop adding from the last digit that is 9 plus 7 is 16. Write 6 carry 1. Send 4 10 and 1 11. Write 1 and carry 1. 6 and 2 8 and 1 9. That is 9 and 1 16. So option number B is the correct option. That is 916. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 197 plus 658. Start adding from the last digit. So 8 plus 7 makes 15 by 5 and carry 1. 9 and 1 10 and 5 15 by 5 and carry 1. 6 and 1 7 and 1 8. That is 8 from the balances inside. That is option number 1. It is 850 cycle. Option number 1 is the correct option. 9 plus 1 is 10 0. Carry 1. 9 and 1 10 and 3 13 3 and 1. 6 and 1 7 and 2 8. 6 and 1 7 and 2 9. That is 920. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself with the drill. Let me just know the next lesson. The next lesson is addition. Input output tables up to 3 numbers. Complete the table. Rule is you need to add 100. So you have to add 100 reaching the value temporarily, output corresponding after value, right? So 742 plus 100 makes 842. Then 303 plus 100 makes 403. Then 484 plus 100 makes 584. Then 87 plus 100 makes 187. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. So 196 plus 100 makes 296. Let's just add 100 to each value. 196 plus 100. We just have to add the digits at 200 places because the rest of the digits are zero. So that is 296, right? Then 235 plus 100. So 2 plus 100. 3, that is 335. Then 574 plus 100. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So that makes 674. So the correct option is option number 296, 335, and 670. Option number 3 is the correct option. Option number 3 is the correct option. Complete the table. You need to add 100. So how do we add 100? We have to add 100 to each input value. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? 586 plus 100 makes 686. 60 plus 100 makes 160. And 518 plus 100 makes 680. So option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Complete the table, add 100. So let's just add 894. 894 plus 100 is 994. 31 plus 100 is 131. 750 plus 100 is 850. So option number 3 is the correct option. 994, 131, and 850. Option number 2 is the correct option. Complete the table, add 100. That is 572 plus 100 is 672. 251 plus 100 is 351. 597 plus 400 is 697. Option number one is the correct option. So complete the table. Add 100. That is 496 plus 100 is 596. 77 plus 100 is 177. 298 plus 100 is 392. So the correct option is option number one is the correct option. 556 plus 177 plus 390. Option number one is the correct. Complete the table. Option number two is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Take it today. If you just no longer discuss. Next lesson is add two numbers. Actually, three digits word problem. Let's just start with the lesson. Can you guys please stop chatting because I hear we learn not to chat. So stop chatting. Please answer the questions fully. Let's just start with the test questions. A scientist believes that there are 396 parakeets and 305 large parakeets are a particular part of the rainforest. What's the total parakeet population using in tracks in the United States? There's 305, so which is the correct option. That is 6 plus 5 means 11, right? 1 and carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, right? 0 and carry 1. That is 3 plus 3 is 6 and 1, 7. That is 701. The correct option is 701. Option number 3 is the correct. A treasure hunter discovered a 20 treasure chest. He opened it up and discovered that it contained 209 diamonds and 440 rubies. How many gems were in the chest? That is 201 plus 440, so which is the correct option. That is 650. Option number 1 is the correct option, 650 meters. Julie works in the kitchen of a Mexican restaurant. Over the weekend, she washed 405 small plates and 200 large plates. How many plates did she wash over the weekend? So, which is the correct option? So, which is the correct option? That is 613, not 612 option. Please be correct option. Please do not guess the answers, which will not comment answers and read ambiguous now. When Auntie went to bed, there were 323 girls on the lake. That night, a flock of 364 please join them. How many birds were on the lake when Abby woke up? That is 687. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is Company has 106 customers in the United States and 373 customers in other countries. In total, how many customers does it have? So, which is the correct option? That is 479. Option number two is the correct option. Six hundred fifty nine plus 175. Option number one is the correct option at 830. Alan Scott wrote until we saw $110 from selling his library. After that, he had 149 songs. How much money did Alan have saved before his car? So, so 110 plus 149 equals. That is 259 is the correct confirmation. That is 259 dollars. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself with the good. Let me just now this compare relations in country opportunities. Complete sorry. Find the missing number. We need to find the missing number. We are given one of the number and some of the number, right? So how do we find that second number? We have to subtract the given number out of the sum. So 363 minus 190. You need to subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. You can subtract 6 out of 9. So 16 minus 9 is 7. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is 107 here. So the missing number is 179. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. So you are given some of the two numbers that is 181 and 169. You have to subtract the two number out of the sum. So you have to do 981 minus 109. 1 minus 0 is 1, 8 minus 1 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 million option. That means the other number is 71. Okay, option 1 is the correct option. Given the missing number, so you have to subtract the given number out of the sum so then you can find the missing number. So which is the correct option. That is 757 option, the previous legal option. Getting the missing number, they want 78 plus missing number equals making the correction, which is the correct option. Children is the correct option out of 625. Oh, that is 526. Option number one is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. So which is number is missing? Four. That is 4. That is 4. Our option number two is the correct option. One number by two plus missing number equals 300 minus 63. So which is the correct option? So the missing one is 171. Option number one is the correct option. Fill in the missing number, which is the correct option. Yes, that is option number two. Only you can complete the lesson by yourself if you do it. So you're working on the three math, the chapter we're working on is addition. The lessons we have taught, they are active numbers of 2 digits, addition input output tables of 2 digits, active numbers of 3 digits, complete the addition sentence up to 3 digits. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is with one of content session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can put right down the question in the Java. You can also all your questions you can put into comparison. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.